Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use a Roblox card. First, find the PIN on the back of your card. Gently scratch off the silver strip to reveal the code. Next, open your web browser and navigate to the official Roblox redemption page. Make sure you are logged into your Roblox account before proceeding. This ensures the Robux are added to the correct profile. It's a straightforward process to get your Robux quickly. Once you're on the redemption page and logged in, carefully type the 10-digit PIN from your card into the provided field. It's crucial to double-check the code for any typos before moving forward. A single incorrect digit will prevent the redemption. After verifying the PIN, simply click the Redeem button. The system will then process your card and confirm the successful addition of Robux to your account. After clicking Redeem, you should see a confirmation message on your screen. This indicates that your Roblox card has been successfully processed. To verify, check your Robux balance directly on the Roblox website or within the Roblox app. Your newly added Robux should appear in your account almost instantly. You can now use them to purchase items, game passes, or experiences within the Roblox platform. If you encounter any issues during the redemption process, don't worry. First, ensure your internet connection is stable. If problems persist, contact Roblox support for assistance. They can help resolve most card-related issues. Remember to check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite, along with other fantastic deals you might enjoy. Thanks for watching, and happy gaming on Roblox.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.